Hindu Ki Jawani, Kiara Advani ki. I think this is one of the first films that has released in India in the theatres after the whole Corona spell. Should you be risking your life in anything at all, like your money, your time, absolutely anything at all to watch this movie? It's a big no. एक बच्चा भी अगर छोटा सा कोई प्ले बनाएगा तो वो भी इससे अच्छा होगा. दिस इज व्हाट इंदू की जवानी इज ऑल अबाउट. इट्स अबाउट दिस कैरेक्टर कॉल्ड इंदिरा गुप्ता, विच इज़ प्यार से लोग उसको इंदू कहते हैं. पूरे गाजियाबाद में आजकल एक ही चीज़ चल रही है, हैशटैग इंदू की जवानी. अपेरेंटली एवरी वंस लेचिंग ओवर हर, फ्रॉम अगली लुकिंग adolescent teenagers to even more ugly looking uncles. They are all after Kiara Advani and her Jawani. But Indu is looking for real love in life. But love के साथ आता है सेक्स. तो उसकी एक जो फ्रेंड होती है जिसका नाम है सोनल, जो मल्लिका दुआ प्ले करती है, शी इज़ द गूगल इन हर लाइफ. एंड शी टेल्स हर दैट लड़कों को सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ चाहिए, तुम वो चीज़ दे दो तो तुम्हें प्यार भी मिल जाएगा. एंड ऑफकोर्स मुझे रिव्यू करना था टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया के लिए, इसलिए मैं यहाँ पर आके देख रहा था. एंड दस बिगिंस इंदूज जर्नी टू फाइंड लव थ्रू द रूट ऑफ सेक्स. और इस स्टूपिड सी कॉमेडी को थोड़ा सा थ्रिलिंग बनाने के लिए एक पाकिस्तान जिहादी एंगल भी डाल दिया इसके अंदर. बट ट्रस्ट मी, everything is so lame and the way it's executed is so mediocre, so juvenile that at the end of it आपको लगेगा कि इंदू जवान ही क्यों हुई in the first place. तो जब फिल्म शुरू हुई तो पहले 10 मिनट में उन्होंने कुछ ऐसा दिखाया कि मुझे लगा कि this could be one of those super short spy thrillers, you know, mixed with comedy and romance and love and generally some funny characters which will be worth my time and money. But after those 10 minutes, the remaining 1 hour 40 minutes was a sheer torture. While I was coming to watch this movie, I thought to myself that Kiara Advani is a lucky actor. Even in this pandemic time, she's got 2 big releases. अब लक्ष्मी का तो आपको पता ही है क्या हुआ. But after watching this, I'm convinced that Kiara is in competition with herself to do movies in which one is worse than the other. Literally, Lakshmi के लिए तो of course you can blame Akshay Kumar, but for this, she has a title role. And look the kind of movie that she has done. It's completely a waste of time, money, energy, everything. And you know, the scary part is not that I actually managed to watch this movie and survive it. At the end of the movie, they actually suggest कि इसका एक sequel भी आ सकता है, और इनफैक्ट यही नहीं, इसकी एक फ्रेंचाइज बन सकती है, क्योंकि इंदू की जवानी एक सीरीज जैसा बन सकता है जिसमें एक के बाद एक ऐसी मूवीज आ सकती है. अब इस फिल्म में कियारा आडवाणी के अलावा there is also Aditya Seal. He plays a Pakistani, and trust me, I live here. I know a lot of Pakistanis. They do not talk like the way Aditya Seal was talking. And Kiara Advani herself is playing this small town girl who has trouble pronouncing a few words. She doesn't even know what Tinder is, by the way. In this movie, Tinder becomes Dinder, Zomato becomes Gomato, and all of these kind of things happen, which I think was the only funny thing in the movie. But that apart, Kiara के भी सारे pronunciations are all over the place. She can say a word like precaution very well, but when it comes to saying a word like trend, she says trained. एंड क्योंकि द मूवी इज सेट इन अ स्मॉल टाउन जहाँ पर एक मोहल्ला दिखाया है और बहुत ही स्टीरियोटिपिकल लोग दिखाए हैं, स्टीरियोटिपिकल उनकी मेंटालिटी दिखाई हुई है, तो यू नीड कैरेक्टर्स हु कैन actually make you believe that yeah, such people are there all around us. But the character artists in this movie, they are so lame and they are so caricaturish that you just can't believe that any of them were actually getting paid to do such bad acting. It's a hamfest. But thankfully film के गाने वो सुनने के लिए इतने कोई खास नहीं है, but they've been picturized well. So as I sat through the 2 hours of the run time of Hindu Ki Jawani, I kept wondering to myself कि ये मूवी कहना क्या चाहती है. Does it want to be a commentary on how Pakistanis are all terrorists, or they want to say that Indians are very judgmental, or they want to say that all the men in the world are big leches, or they want to really say that don't judge a book by the cover. But trust me, for this movie, you have to judge it by its trailer. Because if you watch the trailer, I'm sure you're never going to watch this movie anyway. मेरा रिव्यू देखने के बाद अगर आपके थोड़े से भी होप्स हो इस मूवी से, तो you know what to do. So I don't have anything more to say about Hindu Ki Jawani. You can read my entire review in the Times of India and the rating as well. As usual, if you like my content, please subscribe, hit the bell icon, and thank you so much for watching.